Well, I gotta go review these shoes. Before I start this video, in the link below, I made a Discord. Join it. Let's get talking. Let's get sneakers. And let's hop into this review. Holla. Let's go. Well, guys, here we are again. MGBL is back at you with another sneaker review. Today's a really nice day today. Finally, weather's getting nicer in Canada, so I can sit outside, just chill out, and we can just talk sneaker business, you know what I mean? So I hope everyone's doing good. So today's video is a special one to me because I am reviewing a very unique set of shoes that I really didn't know I would own, but I ended up owning because of circumstances I was in a couple of years ago. So here they are. These are the Air Jordan 4 Toro Bravo. So you got the Jumpman box. They're size 11, as you can see. Let's open these bad boys up. I've kept these in storage for about 4 years now. Just started wearing them, so here you are. They're really, really nice. Like, oh my goodness, they're a really nice pair of shoes. So let's get these bad boys out. So with every Retro 4, if you guys have been keeping my video, you got a mesh net over here. This I like because it never yellows, so it's always gonna stay red. You got your laces up here. Full nice black laces. I was gonna put white, but I'm like, nah. And then up here, this is like a canvas leather material. Now I must say I'm not a really big fan of the material. It feels papery, you know, like a cheaper type of material. Now, I'm not saying these shoes are bad, but compared to my other Jordans, I mean, I'm not really keen on this type of material. But other than that, it's like this red nubuck is really, really nice. You got your gray accents over here, over there. Got more mesh on this side, and then the heel, you got the Jumpman logo, and here's the inside of the shoe. It's pretty good. I mean, so we're gonna do a 360. On and all, they're a really comfortable pair of shoes. They fit a bit tight, but then not tight. I don't know. It's just like a weird thing with me in shoes. It's really a hit or miss, but I love them regardless. Now, you know, these were released in 2013 of March. So these are, again, like 11 years old. With a lot of my shoes in my collection are really like retro, which is really good. Like legit retro of the, you know, they haven't released a new one in like 11 years. I don't know if they will. I mean, but never say never, right? So with these shoes, it's kind of a unique situation. I never planned on owning them. I really didn't even know these existed back then because I was still into like super footwear, like TK Societies, like a bunch of stuff. My OG sneakerheads know what I'm talking about, the super footwear brand. I really got into these like later in the 2010s, like I say about 16, 17. So funny story, at the time, me and my friend, when we were talking about, you know, the teachers, the class he had, right? So basically, he's like, yo, bro, did you check out this guy's sneakers? They're really sick. I'm like, what sneakers? So he took his phone and he took a picture of it on the floor. He asked the teacher, can I take a picture of your shoes? And he's like, yeah, no problem. So he took a picture of the shoes and like 360 shots, like all the way 360. Like he didn't waste no time. So then after, I'm like, hey, you know, what's going on? You know, he's taking a while to text me, but he was busy in class. So anyways, he texted me all these images. And then when I first saw these shoes in 2016, I'm like, whoa, what kind of shoes are these? And back then I didn't know anything about Jordans. It was really like, whoa, like they were nice. And red's like my favorite color. So as you can tell, I'm wearing red right now. And every time I see red, it means fire and passion and burning. Like I'm burning for them, you know? But I really wasn't paying attention to them. I said they were nice, but they were sick. Little did I know, when COVID hit, I remember these red shoes in my head. I forgot the name of them. So then I went up and I researched Jordan 4 red. And then these came up, right? So I looked at them and I'm like, damn, I remember these from like 5 years ago. I need to have them. And then in 2020, when COVID was happening, these went up in value because Jordans over time, they're gonna appreciate in value, you know? And I'm like, oh shoot. So, but thankfully, you know, eBay pulled through. I got them for like $450. They were like brand new, only worn once by the guy. As you can see, they were kept in immaculate condition. And, you know, I was so ecstatic when I got these. I'm like, damn, you know, I wanted to sell them, but then I'm like, nah, I'm not going to sell them. There's too much of a memory, you know. And these also were my first pair of actual retro 4s. So this also holds another place in my heart on top of that. And my buddy ended up getting the same pair of shoes too. So we kind of rocked them together, right? Him and his girl got it. So it's pretty good. But yeah, man, like this shoe holds a lot of significance in my memories of sneaker collecting, you know? We always have that, you know, couple shoes that when we grow up with that we remember, you know, a certain time in our life when we were happy or we were with somebody, you know, like just memories came through, like nostalgia, right? And these shoes have a place in my top 10 forever shoes. No matter how old I get, even if I'm old, wrinkled, and gray, these will always be in my top 10 favorites forever, you know? And I loved everything about it. I loved the air bubble there. Like, it was nice. This white, crisp outsole, you know, the gray outsole with the black, the stars, like, ooh. You know, I go around today wearing these and people are like, yo, where can I get these? I'm like, buddy, you're not gonna find these unless you're gonna spend $1,000. They don't make these anymore. It's like, you can find them on StockX, go to eBay, Grailed maybe, but make sure they're legit, right? Like, honestly, I got them in box and everything, which is really rare. Unfortunately, again, with these shipping companies, I hate them so much. They ruined my box. Like, you can see that rip over there. I absolutely hated them for that. I gave the guy a 1-star review. I'm like, buddy, you ruined my pair of shoes that meant a lot to me, right? So I'm sitting here like, come on, man. And just pondering on what to do next. But these shoes are a collector's item. If you own a pair, leave a comment down below and tell me your story with them. What 4s did you collect? What memories of your shoes do you have? You know, things that make you happy when you wear them. Because I know what I'm wearing, an all black fit, all white fit, even red, I'm popping these bad boys on and man, I'm fly as heck. You're in your zone, bro. You're in your zone. Like, these shoes are just iconic to me. And I'm thankful to own them because not a lot of people own them. And not a lot of people even know about these. These are like an underdog. But let me tell you, you know, back then, Chris Brown was rocking them, DJ Khaled, Trinidad James, August Alsina, all the big guys were rocking these guys. Pictures have been posted throughout this video if you guys want to go back and see. But honestly, these shoes do not mess around, man. But anyways, that will conclude my little nostalgic trip down memory lane. Like I said, guys, thanks for the support. You know, my channel's been growing steadily, and I really, really appreciate it. So I thank you guys for that. And I also made a Discord, if you guys didn't hear in the first part of my video. So come join my community. Come get to know me. I want to get to know you. What sneakers do you like? What releases are you hyped for? What style do you have? What music do you like? What movies do you like? Just a community so we can talk, you know? But guys, thank you again once so much, all right? And up here, there's gonna be more videos. There's gonna be a playlist, so just click that if you wanna see more videos. And right here to subscribe, right there. Yeah, right there. Anyways, guys, peace out. MGBL is out.